Exercise number 14. Use Python Base64 module to encode your password. Use the same module to retrieve it. Base64 is a wonderful module which can encode your sensitive information like passwords, email text transmitting data over a network. It can also reduce the text data size by 33%. Import Python built-in module Base64. I have used Base64 to make it short for ease of use. Let's enter some sensitive data to be encoded using Encode option of Base64 module. I want to encode my password. Use print command to show the encoded password. Oops, it runs an error message. It can only convert binary text to ASCII code. Let's convert our text to binary by inserting alphabet B before the password and run again the code. It is working smoothly now. My password is coded nicely. Time to retrieve it. I would use Decode option of the Base64 module. Run the code, my password is back in actual form. So easy, isn't it?